Guys, again, if you don't understand anything of lesson 5, multiply decimals, the lesson of yesterday, please raise up your hand and ask me. Right, Ahmed Hamdi, I answered you. Muhammad Samir, I answered you. Right, who is this boy? I want to know your name, ya mister, and you also.
Mr. My name is Toshiba.
I'm
I'm
Adam.
لحظة شوي. What's your name, يا ابني?
Jalal.
I'm
I'm
Adam.
Toshiba because I
No,
cannot.
wait, yeah. Just Jalal. Jalal talk only. Jalal, what's your name?
Toshiba.
Why you wrote this name?
No, my computer wrote it. I did not write it. My computer, because my computer is
Rename
Toshiba.
yourself.
I do not understand the
Mister,
whole
rename yourself. Rename yourself, I said. The other boy, what's your name?
Just a moment.
Adam.
Mean?
Adam.
Why you wrote this name? Rename yourselves بسرعة.
Mr. Even the last period I renamed myself, it's remember me like
Your
Toshiba.
question. What's your question?
Question 2.
Read.
0.11
Okay.
multiply 0.91.
Multiply normal. يلا. 1 by 1.
1.
1 by 1.
1.
1 by 0.
0.
Here we start with 0. 9 by 1.
9.
9 by 1.
9.
9 by 0.
0.
Add 1, 10, 10, 1. Right?
Yes.
How many digits here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And here?
4.
Together we have 4 digits. Mister, answer my questions only. Don't talk. How many digits we have here? Look here. Together.
Together 4.
4. Go down from the right, count 4 digits and put the decimal.
Thanks.
Yes, Adam.
Mister, I don't understand question 3.
Read.
Okay. 5 dot 4 1 4 and 0.4.
Multiply normally يا ابني ها. يلا let's multiply normally. يلا.
Okay. 4 divide 4 equals to 1.
ركز لحظة شوي. ايش؟ 4 what?
4 multiply
ايوه 4
4
multiply 4 how much?
1.
4 multiply 4 equal 1.
No.
How much 4 multiply 4 يا ابني؟
Okay.
16. 4 multiply 4 equals 16.
Okay. 16.
4 multiply 1.
4 multiply 1 4.
Plus 1.
So
4
5
multiply
5.
بسرعة يا ابني بسرعة. 4 multiply 5.
4 multiply 5 20.
20. Now, do we need to multiply with this 0?
No.
If you multiply, it will be what?
0.
But if you don't multiply, it's okay. Add. Yeah.
Okay.
6, 5, 0, 2, right?
Yes.
How many digits here after the decimal?
What?
How many digits here after the decimal?
2.
And here?
1.
Together?
3.
From 6, count to 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, then put your decimal. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Ziad.
Answer.
Yes, mister.
Question 4, we have 0.98.
Mister, did you understand that?
Yeah.
What you want? We are not doing the homework. We are seeing if you don't understand or no only.
Oh,
Yes, I
okay.
understand.
Yes, I understand.
طيب عبد الله.
Yes, mister. I don't raise my hand.
I have your hand now.
By mistake.
طيب. Now let's go to our lesson. If you don't understand, guys, I download another video for this lesson, so please watch the video of lesson 5. Okay, it's important. And if you still don't understand it, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we have 2 revision classes of math. You can ask me there. Now let's go to lesson 6, multiply decimals by powers of 10. When I say powers of 10, guys, yes, ya Jalal, yes, yes. مش حبدأ. Yes. Now, when I say powers of 10, guys, what's the meaning of powers of 10? We took exponents before, remember? Like 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, and go on. These we call them powers of 10, powers of 10. Now, how we multiply decimals by powers of 10? We will multiply, guys, mentally. We multiply mentally, means without calculations, without calculations. We will multiply directly. Look here and try to understand what I'm talking about here. Example, multiply. Look here, guys, it's important. For example, 2.643 multiply 10 to the power 2. Look here. Read the title, multiply decimal by powers of 10. Here I have decimal, and here I have power of 10. 10 to the power 2, 10 exponent 2. Now we won't align the numbers. We will multiply directly. How? Now I will take a look. Here I have multiply, and here I have power of 2, right? If I have power of 2, guys, I will go to my decimal and push the decimal here to the right 2 digits. The power of 10 is 2. How I'll multiply? What's the answer? I will go to my decimal here and push it to the right 2 digits. 2 digits. So what's the answer will be? 2, 6. Now the decimal will be between 4 and 3. 4 decimal 3. Again, I have 2.643 multiply 10 to the power 2. Now the power is 2. I will go to the decimal, push it to the right 2 digits. Why 2 digits? Because the power is 2. Another example, 57 decimal 8934 multiply 10 to the power 3. Now, what's the exponent here? What's the power? The power is 3. I will go to the decimal and push it this time 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So the decimal will be between 3 and 4. This decimal in the answer will be between 3 and 4. So the answer will be 5, 7, 8, 9, 3 decimal 4. So I take a look to the power. If the power 2, push it 2 times. If the power 3, push it 3 times. طب if power is 1, like 8.56, multiply 10 to the power 1. I will go to the decimal and push it this time 1 digit, only 1 digit. So it will be between 5 and 6. Why only 1 digit? Because the power is 1. So the answer will be 8.5.6. For example, 3.18 multiply 10. Now here 10 has no power. The 10 has no power. If the number has no power, it is also 1. If the number has no power, it is also what? 1. Again, if the 10 has no power, means it is 1, but the 1 is not written. Not 0, it is 1, but the 1 is not written. Sometimes they wrote it, sometimes they don't write it. So here it is 1. So I push the decimal 1 digit, it will be between 1 and 8. So 31.8. But sometimes we don't have enough digits to find the answer. Like, look here, guys, focus with me. 2.5 multiply 10 to the power 3. Now the power is 3. How many digits I need to push? 3 digits. I only have 1 digit. What I will do, guys, I will take this number 2.5 and add zeros. I can add zeros as much as I want. If I don't have enough digits, you can add what? Zeros as much as you want. حط zeros قد ما بدك. Okay? These zeros has no value, so it's okay. Again, if you don't have enough digits to push the decimal, you can add zeros here. So the 2.5, you can write it 2.5 with zeros normally. Now you can push the digits 3 digits. Look here, I have a 3. So push it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal will be here. So it will be 2, 5, 0, 0, decimal 0. From where I get these zeros, I added them. It's okay, you can add zeros if you have decimal. Now here, decimal 0. Do we need this? No, no need for it. Another example. For example, if we have 24.7 multiply 10 to the power 2. 24.7 multiply 10 to the power of 2. Here I have the power is 2. How many digits I need to push to the right? 2 digits. I only have 1 digit. What I will do? I will add zeros. So add zeros, huh? Add zeros زي ما بدك. Now you can push the decimal 2 digits. It will be here between these 2 zeros, right? You can add zeros as much as you want. It's okay. So the decimal will be between after 7 and 0. I need 2 digits. Why I added zeros? Because I have less digits than the power. Here the power is 2 and 1 digit. But here I didn't add zeros because I have enough digits. It's okay. Now let's find the answer here. I will push the decimal 2 digits. It will be here. So what's the answer? 2470 decimal 0. After the decimal, if it's zeros, no need for them. So the answer 2470. This is the idea, guys. This is the idea. So how we multiply by powers of 10? We see the power, the exponent, then we push the digit, the decimal to the right always, not to the left, to the right, as much as the power. If you have enough digits, it's okay. If you don't have enough digits, you can add zeros to the number and push as much as you want. And focus in one thing here. The 10, if it has no power, means it is what? It is 1. But sometimes we don't write the power of 1. This is the idea of the lesson. Now I am ready to receive your questions. Omar Samir. Omar. Omar. طب أحمد حمدي.
Yes, mister. If we have a number like 2.5 multiply 1000, what we will do? And without power.
Hello. Hello. Without power. Now the 1000, how many zeros it has?
3.
3 zeros. This means we can push the decimal how many digits?
3 times.
3 times the number of zeros. Okay. If we don't have
Okay.
power and we have 1000, we need to push the decimal here 3 times. If we have power like this, 2 times, 3 times. Here we don't have power, we have 1000, right? So here I count the number of zeros. I have 3 zeros. I can push it 3 times. But do we have enough digits here?
No.
So
We will
what I
add
need to do? Add zeros, huh? Add zeros. Now push it to 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. The decimal will be here, right?
You're right.
Hi, 3 digits. So what's the answer? 2500 decimal 0, right?
You're right.
Huh? Now decimal 0, do we need it?
No.
Erase it. So what's the answer?
2005. 2500. 2500.
Aywa, 2500. Good question, guys. If we have, for example, thank you, Ahmed.
And
For
Mr.
example,
question like this.
2.819 multiply 100. Here the 100 is not power like the previous examples. At this case, we count the number of zeros, guys. How many zeros here? We have 2 zeros. We push 2 times, 2 digits. Here I have enough digits, no need to add zeros. So the decimal will be between 1 and 9. So the answer, 281 decimal 9.
And Mr. Also, I have another question.
What, ya habibi, what?
The same up, but if we have 2.5 multiply 1000, but the sound would have powers like 3,
لا.
4.
مش هيجي. Okay? It won't be like that, okay? Even power, either power or something like this. Power with 10, because what's the lesson here?
Powers of 10.
Power of 10. So the power always for the 10 or 100,000 million, whatever, okay?
Okay.
These are the 2 cases only. Do you understand that?
Mean, Mr. 1000, if we have 1000 powers, it can't.
Yeah, mister, you won't have this thing. You won't have it. In this lesson, you won't have it. Later on, when you grow up, maybe you will, okay?
Okay, خلاص, I understand.
Adam. Let's do exercises, guys. We are on page 412. Yeah. Put your hands and let's do exercises. Page 412. Yes, Adam. Abdullah Ihab.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, ya Abdullah. Do you understand the lesson?
Yes.
Yalla. Page 412. 3.
Multiply. Question 1, 0.54. Multiply 10.
Now
There
the 10
is-
has power here.
No.
So how many zeros?
1.
So what we will do?
We will push the decimal
Aywa.
after 1 digit.
One digit. It will be between 5 and 4. So what's the answer here?
05.4.
5.4. This 0, do we need it?
No.
No, you can erase it. So what's the answer?
5.4.
Excellent. Question 2. Abdullah Qassam,
Yes, mister.
read.
8.32 multiply 100.
Multiply 100. Mumtaz.
Yeah.
Do we have power or 10 to the power?
No, there is, we will take the 2 zeros of 100.
Aywa, we count the zeros. How many zeros here?
2.
So we will push the decimal 2 digits, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Do we have enough digits?
No, we will put zeros.
ماشي يلا. لا, I have 2 zeros, 2 digits. وين المشكلة؟
There is, but to
Yeah.
make
ماشي يلا ماشي 8 decimal 3 2 هاي 0 ماشي. Where the decimal will be?
in between the 2 and 0.
But ممتاز, between the 2 and 0. يلا, what's the answer will be? Tell me.
832.0.
0.0. Now 0.0, do we need it?
No,
Erase it. Don't put it in the answer. So what's the answer?
832.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
Goodbye. This is question 2. Question 3. 7.46 multiply 1000. محمد سامر.
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا محمد.
We have 1,000 with 1,000. 1,000 is 10 power 3.
ممتاز. So we have 3 zeros, right?
Right.
يلا. How much I will push the decimal? How many digits?
3.
يلا. Do we have enough digits?
No.
I have 2 digits. What I need to do?
We add 0.
يلا I added 2 zeros. Where the decimal
Okay.
will be?
Between the 2 zeros. After 3
ممتاز.
digits.
Push 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So what's the answer will be? 7, 4, 6, 0, decimal 0, right?
Yes.
Now, do we need this decimal 0?
No.
Erase it. So what's the answer?
7,460.
Mumtaz. I don't need this now. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Good boy. Question 4, the next page. Question 4, Who can help me? Al-Walid.
يا مستر يا مستر يا مستر
يا مستر ريد اخلص.
question number 4 1.63 multiply 10.
Yeah, what I will do here?
First we will do 63 163 63.
What I will do يا وليد يلا.
We will put 163 and we will put 0.
Why we will put 0?
Because we have 1 in the 10 we have 0.
We
So
have
we'll put
1 0 يا ابني. ركز الله يسعدك. We have 1 0. So how many digits I need to push the decimal?
1.
1 digit. Do we have 1 digit here?
No, we have 3.
Yeah, mister, do we have one
We
digit
have
here?
we have 2 digits. We have 2
So
digits.
no need to add zeros, yeah, mister,
Yeah,
because I
so
have
we-
enough.
So we write 163. It will be.
لا يا مستر, it won't be 163. ركز الله يسعدك. How many zeros we have?
We have one only, يا مستر.
خلاص, answer my question. Don't talk more. How many zeros we have?
We have one.
Push the decimal one digit. Where it will be?
At the first.
Yeah, mister, push the decimal one digit to the right, not to the left.
Ah,
To
it
the
will be
right.
at. It will
Where
be
it
at
will
the.
be?
It will be at the back, the decimal and decimal.
يا مستر شو at the back؟ ايش at the back؟ يا مستر ركز الله يسعدك. Push the decimal one digit to the right. Where it will be?
It will be the decimal. It will
the
be before
decimal.
the 3. It will be before the 3.
3 means between 3 and 6, right? Here.
Yeah.
So what's the answer will be? Tell me.
16 decimal 3.
Best. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Question 5. دعاس محمد.
Yeah, mister. It's
Read.
0.853 multiply 10 power 3. 10 to the power. Yeah. No, mister, not 853, not 400.
آسف يا محمد.
Okay, the first we will look the 10, it's have power 3. And
Hello.
we have 3 digits after the decimal. We will put it after the 3 and it will be 853 decimal 0 after the 3 decimal 0.
ممتاز.
But we
The
don't
decimal will be here. No need to put 0, right? يعني
Yeah,
decimal 0. Do we need it now?
No, we don't need it.
Erase it. طيب.
Yeah.
Do we need the 0?
Yeah.
The 0, do we need it?
No.
It has no value يا ابني. Huh?
Yeah.
What's the answer?
853.
بس. This is question 5. Question 6. Kinan Isam.
Question 6, 0 decimal 97.
ركز يا ابني وريد زي الخلق. يلا.
0 decimal 397.
ايوه مش 97 397 multiply what
10 power 1 or 10
حلو 10 power 1 يلا
10 power 1 equals 10, so there is one we put the decimal after one digit or
to
after
the right
after the 3 and
Yeah.
it will become 3 decimal 97 because the 0 doesn't have value.
ممتاز. We push the decimal one time, it will be between 3 and 9 like this. Now this 0 here has no value, so we erase it. So the answer 3 decimal 97 only. ممتاز. Question 7. Jalal, read.
Question 7. 1 decimal 76 multiply 100.
Hello.
1 decimal 76.
يلا.
We will see how many zeros we have. We have 2 zeros. So we will let the decimal jump to the right 2 digits. So the
Hello.
decimal will be at the last.
يلا.
And my number will be 1 7 6
Hmm?
decimal.
Decimal. The
But
decimal
we
at the
don't-
end.
but- yes. So
Do we need
do not
it?
must write it. No, we do
Do
not
we need it? No. Erase it. خلاص.
No.
What's the answer?
176.
Yes, thank you. Question 8. Quaider, Omar.
Yes, Mr.
Read the next step.
0.78 multiply 10 to power 2.
حلو. 0.78 multiply 10 to the power of 2. يلا.
We will push the decimal after the
Mhm.
8. We will add 0.
يلا. What it will be?
78.0.
78.0,
and the 0 don't have values.
right?
Right.
طب, do we need decimal 0?
No.
Erase it. Do we need this 0?
No.
Erase it. What's the answer?
78.
Yes. Do you understand that? Goodbye. Question A9. Amran.
Yes, Mister.
Amran, this is your first time you with us in this math?
No, not the first time.
Because you're always absent, Amran.
No, it's not the first time. I joined all the lessons.
All the lessons.
Not all, but I joined the last
Some
lesson
lessons.
and before it and before it.
Read the question 9, Amran. Read.
76 decimal 5 multiply 10 power 3.
Mumtaz. Yalla. What I will do here? Hello?
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, Imran. Do you understand the lesson?
Yes.
Fine. What I will do here? Tell me, how much is the power?
3.
So what I will do for this decimal?
I
Hello?
will. Yes, Mister.
Yes, sir. Do you know or you don't know? Okay, Imran, focus. Look here. Look to me. Do you see the board?
Yes.
Yeah. Here the power is a 3, right?
Yes.
So I need to push the decimal 3 digits. But how many digits I have?
1.
So I need to add zeros for this number. I will add it here, 7, 6, decimal 5. I can add zeros, okay?
Okay.
Now push the decimal 3 digits. Look here. 1, 2, 3. See? 1, 2, 3. The decimal will be here, right?
Yes.
Yalla. Look at the answer now. 7, 6, 5, 0, 0. Decimal 0, right?
We don't need the decimal 0 at the last.
How do we don't need it? So what's the answer? 76,500. Got it?
Got it.
So if we don't have enough digits, we can add zeros. If we have enough digits, no need to add zeros, okay? Sometimes we have enough, sometimes we don't have enough. Got it?
Got it.
Good boy. Question 10.